Chief Minister N. Biren has congratulated successful candidates of Class 12 examination who appeared amid state crisis. The Chief Minister posted in his social media account last night, stating that the students have overcome challenges with dedication and hard work. He extended best wishes towards fulfilling their aspirations and dreams ahead. For those who could not clear the examination, the Chief Minister emphasized that board exams are not the end of the road, rather an exam, and urged them not to feel disheartened or discouraged. Moreover, relentless efforts of the parents have made the students clear the Class 12 examination conducted by COSEM. Malingwanbi Laishram, who topped in science stream, is daughter of a hawker. Ena Naurem in commerce stream is a daughter of a fish farmer who is a retired army. Tokchom Satyajit in art stream is a son of LDC. The pass percentage of 97.63% amid the violence indicated that the hard work of students is still prevalent.